Hello viewers, welcome to Mathathon. Today's video, we'll be looking at subtracting like fractions. Now, a fraction has a numerator part along with a denominator part. We have 9 over 17 here, where 9 is the numerator and 17 is the denominator. Now, like fractions are the group of two or more fractions having the same denominator. So for example here, where we have 9 over 17, if we also had 4 over 17, these would be like fractions as they both have the same denominator. Now how do we subtract like fractions? Step 1. We make sure the bottom number, which are the denominators, are the same. Step 2. We subtract the top numbers, which are the numerators, and put that answer over the denominator. And step 3, we simplify the fraction if possible. Now let's try the example here. We have 10 over 20 subtracting 6 over 20. The first thing we're going to do is subtract the numerators, and we're going to put it over the 20. Since the fractions here are like fractions, they both have the same denominators. Now when I subtract 6 from 10, I end up with, it will give me 4. Sorry, let me rewrite that. So I have 10, take away 6, and it will be placed over 20. And when I subtract 6 from 10, I will end up with 4 over 20. Now can this be simplified? Yes, it can. I can say 4 can go into itself once, and it can also go into 20 5 times. Hence, my answer here would be 1 over 5. Now, we do this when the denominators are the same, so always remember that. Let's try example 2. We have 7 over 15 minus 4 over 15. So we're going to subtract the numerators, put it over the common denominator, and 4 from 7 will give us 3, and we will put it over the 15. Now think to yourself, can this be simplified? Yes, it can. So we're going to say, we're using 3, so 3 into 3 goes 1, 3 into 15 goes 5, so again, we end up with 1 over 5 for our answer. Now the third example, we have 17 over 30 minus 2 over 30. Once again, we're going to subtract the numerators and write the common denominator. Now, when we subtract 2 from 17, we will end up with 15, and it will be placed over 30. Now, think to yourself, can this be simplified? Can 15 over 30 be simplified? Yes, it can, and we can use 15. So we'll say 15 into itself goes once, and 15 into 30 goes 2 times. So therefore here our answer would be a half. Now I hope you're grasping the concept. Once the denominators are the same, we just subtract the numerators and put our answer over the common denominator, and then we would simplify if possible. Now I want for you to pause the video and attempt the question here, and then compare it with what will be shown afterwards. Now I hope you got it correct. We're going to subtract 1 from 91, and it will be placed over 100 since the denominators are the same. Now when I subtract 1 from 91, I'll end up with 90 over 100. And I hope you simplified it, because it can be simplified. Here I'm going to use 10 to simplify my fraction here. So I'm going to say 10 into 90 goes 9 times, and 10 into 100 goes 10 times. So therefore, my answer is 9 over 10. Now I hope you got this correct. Pretty simple. Remember, we are going to subtract the numerators, put back the common denominator, and simplify if possible. Now I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.